Now, let me share this yummy stew recipe with you. I bet you will love it. Welcome to my channel. Stay tuned and let's cook. Now, if you have tasted Nigerian fish stew before, you know what I mean, okay? If you haven't tasted one, it is time for you to give it a try. Like mostly when some smoked catfish is included, guys, it will take you to another world. It is always very delicious. Now, this is my protein, of course, a fresh tilapia fish. You can go for any fish of your choice, any fresh fish, or you can as well go for just smoked fish. I have fresh tilapia fish and smoked catfish. What I would do, I would already cleaned my fish behind the camera. The gills and the guts are out to my taste. Okay, so I will give that a cut and then marinate with some smoked paprika powder, some chili, small amount of chili powder, vegetable powder, small amount of salt, rosemary. Okay, I will leave all the ingredients for this recipe in the description box. I went ahead to add in some sunflower oil and generously incorporate that. When I'm done, I will set this aside for now. If you still don't know, the key to a delicious, effortless fish stew, then hear me out. Your bell peppers and onion. These are the key. Enough bell peppers and onion. So I have about 8 to 9 pointed bell peppers, and then I have just 4 fresh tomatoes and 4 large onions. What I'm doing here is to take off the seed, juice of my tomatoes to enable my stew cook fast. This is not right because we have the vitamins in those juice, but even if you leave it, the vitamins will be cooked off after 15 to 20 minutes. So order so. Okay, I hope you get my point. Now, after doing this, I would just go ahead and blend. Use my hand to smash my bell peppers, okay? Bring to your food processor or whatever you have to process your tomatoes or your bell peppers. So I will also add some ginger and garlic. Please do not skip the ginger and garlic if you love to go for one. If you don't want to have any, you can skip it. And I also have my onion. Like I said earlier, I have my Scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, I want to use this time to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers for always tuning in to watch my videos. You guys are just the best. I appreciate your time. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for watching. We are done with our mise en place. Our prep is ready. It is time to start cooking. If you want to deep fry your fish, the first thing you want to do is deep fry your fish first. Or you can as well fry your fish just like I am doing. Just add small amount of sunflower oil in your pan and fry your fish in every side, okay? Ever since I started this method of frying my fish, like I just don't stop it. I love it. That is not to say that the deep frying is not nice or it's not delicious. It is super delicious, but I love this method. I feel like it keeps my fish so juicy, just as I want to have it, okay? And yeah, when I'm done doing this, I will just set my fish aside for now. So if you have watched this video to this time, then you are the best. Thank you so much for doing so. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done so. And also, if you have been following me or if you have been watching my videos and haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead to subscribe to my channel. Also, check out all the videos on this channel. You will surely find one that you love. Thank you all so much for doing so. Now you will come in with a fresh pot, introduce some sunflower oil, go in with your sliced onion. I love onion, guys. So I will add in my bay leaf, add in fresh or dry thyme, whatever you have, and then add in some curry if you want your curry to be buoyant in flavor. but my husband don't like it, so I will skip the curry. Saute your onion a little bit until it is fragrant. Now you want to introduce your blended peppers and then stir generously. Again, immediately you will add your dry catfish if you are going for one, because you want this catfish to release that beautiful flavor in your stew. I think my village people have been mentioning someone's name. This stew used to be our favorite stew back then, and I have been craving for this stew, like fish stew. So I had to make one because it is no stress. You don't need to taste again. Okay, it's still sour, it's still so, it's still there. No, you just make your stew with your bell peppers, a little bit of tomatoes, and you are ready to go. So what I did was just cover up, let it cook for some time. You want to come back and season with your favorite spices. I can add in some curry for now, and then add in some thyme, some seasoning powder, and the small amount of sauce. You can season to your preference, okay? Always cook, taste, am I satisfied, so and so. The only thing I would say is mind your salt, okay? You can always add in some salt later instead of adding too much salt at this point, okay, while cooking. So when that is done, I added some crayfish. What is fish stew without crayfish? So I didn't add all the crayfish I needed, so I just added some, cover up again, and it is time to add in my fried fish. Now you can choose to add in your fish earlier or later, but I decide to add it now because the fish is juicy enough and I have my dry fish already released the flavor in my stew. Everything is just on point, okay? And I also decide to copy Ghana today by adding some egg, okay? It's not a father stew where we add egg every time. No, that's not true. I don't know one for that one reason. I love to add egg in my stews, my daughter mostly. So I just added my egg. I also added crayfish at this point, or because I love to add crayfish at this point, and I'm sure so many of us do, just to have those beautiful taste. Okay, so add your crayfish because we are almost ready to go. Something is still missing here, guys. I don't know if maybe if some of us remember this curry leaf. No, sorry, curry. Yeah, curry leaf. It's called curry leaf. It smells amazing. It smells great. Back then in the village, so we used to go and pluck it somewhere. If you pluck that leaf, holy Mary, smells so good. So I am going for basil today. Basil is more like that, okay? It smells good too in your stew. So I added some fresh basil, and that's it. My stew is ready. It has dried off all the liquids. You can see the oil floating on top already. That shows the stew is ready to be enjoyed. Please, lovelies, let me know in the comment section, what would you pair this stew with? I love to pair with rice or yam or spaghetti is also perfect. So I have my rice cooked already, wrapped in a leaf, just to release those flavor in my rice. And yeah, that's it. Just serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share with your loved ones, leave your opinion in the comment section, and see you all in my next one, lovely. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.